So I have the Louis Vuitton unboxing today. I posted in my Instagram and I couldn't decide should I go for this color or not. So finally I decided, and in here just wanted to thank you everybody to input your feedback. I really love this community. If we cannot decide something when you post it to Instagram, you got so many response and it helps you to make a decision whether to purchase or not. So here she is. I just received it yesterday, so I haven't really opened yet, so let's just do it together. Oh my goodness, look at this. My SA actually sent it to me through the Saks Fifth. They have the Louis Vuitton. Oh, that is so nice. I just realized it. Did you see the paper, the rubbing paper? This is my first time seeing it. I think it's for the Lunar New Year. Here is the receipt, but she also sent me some. I think this is a bookmark. What it used for? If you guys know, let me know. Here she is. This is the Louis Vuitton On The Go, and this is the color that they just come this week. So I wasn't decided because original I want to have the white color. It's a cream color, and a lot of you guys said is the color transfer and easy to pick up the dirt. So I kind of think, yeah, it could be, you know, the truth. So for the safe side, I picked this color, and I'm telling you, I love it. It is so beautiful. It's beautiful than I expected. I love it, love it. This is a nice color. It doesn't look so very dark, you know, because when she sent me the picture, it's really dark. So I wasn't sure, but actually in person, this is the perfect color. I will show you the model shot later on for your reference on 5.2, and I also will show you what fits. I think it can fit a lot. This size is so perfect. Now I just noticed behind me there's many of this type of the color. You can see, oh, this color they call Dove and Cream, and it just came out this week. Let me compare. This is the puzzle bag. They are so similar. Can you see that? So you can tell I probably do love this color. You can see this is the Fendi Peekaboo, and also very similar color. This is another one. That is the Caption BB, also similar color. I do have my Hermès Burgundy, also similar color. And by the way, this is the most expensive bag from the Louis Vuitton in my collection, and this is the second expensive bag from the Louis Vuitton in my collection. Let me just compare another one for you, and this is the Noé Amo BB. So very quickly to show you the interior, and it comes with the removable strap. This strap length is perfect. I do love this length of the strap because I can wear as a shoulder bag. I don't want a long strap. So the interior is a microfiber, and this side has a 2 pocket and also has the zipper pocket back there. Which button has feet, button doesn't have a feet. This one you can use as a handhold or the shoulder bag. Of course you can wear as a crossbody because the strap you can adjust it. Okay, so now let me just compare with the On The Go MM size. Here is the On The Go MM size. You can see the size difference. It's big difference. See the difference? I will do some comparison. If you want me to do any other bag to compare this one, please leave a comment below. I will do it. And let me also quickly to show you what fits in this handbag. Let's do what fits on this On Go in PM size. I will not use the bag organizer. Now I happen to find it. The Amazon bag organizer, it fit this one perfectly like that. So I will link this one. I purchased from Amazon. It's a $9 something. So if you want, you can use. I will put a link. So I will put my iPhone 11 Victorian wallet, key color, mini shirt, business card holder, pocket organizer, card holder, my reading glasses, Sunny. So here is that. You can see it still has a lot of room. One lipstick case, the cell phone charge. You can see this fit a lot. It can fit really a lot. So this one is really nice. You know, the size is perfect for everyday's use, and also, you know, if you don't want to put it so much, you can use as occasional. And here has the lock. If you don't feel safe, you can lock this one. So you lock this. Yeah, it can fit. Of course, it can fit more for this one, and this one, and this is a storage pouch 19, and you can see the size. It definitely fit inside. Like that. Put it this way. Very organized, very neat. Then you can put the cell phone, charge, 2 eyeglasses. Can we put the mini pusher? Yes, I think so. But I'm in the maximum. I don't want to look really heavy. It's like that. So this is how much things you can fit. Basically, I have some ideas. If you needed to do more deep review, I will do so. I will compare with some other bag. So yeah. So that's it. That's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.